Hello and welcome to How to Play Tapple. The game is played with 2 to 8 players. To play, you will need the Tapple game. The Tapple wheel is placed in the middle of all players. Before the game starts, players will decide which side of the category cards to play. The playing side is placed face down next to the Tapple wheel. Each round starts with a player drawing a category card. Each card has 2 categories on it, and the drawing player will select one category to play for the round. This round the players will be playing the category Pizza Toppings. The middle button of the Tapple wheel is pressed by the drawing player to start the round. The drawing player gives the first answer and will press down the letter used for the answer. Then the middle button is pressed to pass the turn to the next player. If a player is unable to come up with an answer before the 10-second timer goes off, they are out of the round. When a player gets out, the middle button is pressed to start up again, and play continues until only one player remains. The last player remaining in a round wins the category card. The first player to collect 3 category cards is the winner. For a longer game, the amount of category cards needed to win can be increased. If all the letters are used and more than one player is still in the game, an overtime round is played. Reset the letters and draw a new category card. In the overtime round, each player must come up with 2 answers each turn using 2 different letters. The winner of the overtime round wins both category cards. That wraps up How to Play Tapple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.